This video is on repairing homelite easy automatic pull cord. Now I got this far just to show you. You gotta take this outside off. Fish your pull cord through. Right here's where I stop just to show you how you do this. Take a nail and grab it and just keep pulling and pushing until you got it coming. Pull it up through. Get enough to tie the knot. Now this knot, you use a figure 8. Figure 8. That way it won't pull apart. Tighten it. And then you can let that go back down in that hole. Just push that down so it's out of the way. Okay, now the winding part. The spring's in this. So all you do, stick that back in there where it belongs, and then just keep twisting to the right. It'll pull the cord in. And then when your cord gets up there, give it a little pull. Nah, needs more tension. Turn it 2 or 3 turns. Check it. Nah, could use one more. Give it one more. One more to get your letters upright. I'm going to go around one more whole turn. That feels pretty good. So now, put your screw back in. Two of them. And then if you need more tension on that pull cord, you can just take them 2 screws out, just give it another turn and put them back in, and your springs and stuff inside don't go flying. This was the best setup they ever had for pull cords. That's how fast we just fixed that super easy automatic homelite recoil. The rope was broke. I mean, you just seen how fast to fix that. Thanks for watching.